Hey Peaches family, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. I'm Georgia. This channel is mainly focused on natural hair product review, nursing, everything that you can think of basically. Make sure you guys like the video, share the video, subscribe, and also leave a comment down below. So let's get started with the video. You need to know you're beautiful, you're perfect just like you are. Before we get started with the tutorial, I'm just gonna go over the stuff that I'm using in this video. So I'm using this Wet n Wild black pencil. This was from the dollar store. Then I'm using this LA Colors brown pencil. This is in medium. It was also from the dollar store. I'm using this body shimmer. This was from Amazon. I'll put a link down below so you guys know. This is a foundation from CoverGirl True Blend. This is in D50 and it's matte. This is a concealer. It says that it lasts for 16 hours. We don't know. This is the first time trying it. This is in matte finish also. Then I'm going to be using these brush. These I got it from Amazon too. They were very inexpensive. I will leave the link down below so you guys can get it. This is from Milani. This is a powder, like a setting powder. And this is in color 2. This is a concealer, Pro Concealer. I got it from the beauty supply store. These are my favorite mascara from L'Oreal. Then these are some lip gloss. I got it from Ross. Then this is like a makeup palette from Milani. Some 99-cent lip gloss. A setting spray. So this setting spray is from Elena Tracy. Now let's start the tutorial. So first I'm going ahead and I'm using my setting spray. I normally do this because when you use the setting spray, your makeup come out really flawless. I don't know if you guys do that. Use your setting spray first, and then you use it when you're in the middle and then at the end. So I use my setting spray 3 times. If you continue to watch this video, I'm going ahead and I'm just lightening up my eyebrows. You can see that it's already done, but I'm going ahead and lightening up my eyebrows to make sure that there is no, like, make sure that it's a little thicker and darker. So that's what I'm doing right here. And I just want to make everything look natural. So my eyebrow, I don't want to over exaggerate using the pencil. So that's what I'm doing. And then after I do that, I just use my concealer and I make sure that I just put it at the top and at the bottom to make it a little sharper, So that's what I'm doing right here. And then after you do that, I'm going to just use my sponge. I got it from the dollar store. And I'm going to just blend that out. And when I'm blending, I blend all over my eyes. So I don't have to go back in and put more concealer right there. And when you do that also, when you put your makeup on, I'm talking about your eyeshadow. When you put your eyeshadow on, it's going to look flawless if you do that. So now I'm going to use my body shimmer and then I'm going to just apply that to my face. I normally do that too before I add my makeup, because when you put your body shimmer on, like you put the setting spray, then you put your body shimmer on, it make your face look so flawless. It just look like you put a filter on your skin. you'll see at the end or during this video, you're going to see the difference. So now I'm putting on my foundation. This is the True Color foundation in D70 from CoverGirl. This, I also got this from Amazon, so I'll leave the link down below. So as you can see, look at that. My skin looks so flawless with that. When you put that shimmer on, then you put the foundation on, it looks so flawless. And you want to make sure that you do your neck too, because your neck is always a little darker than your face. So look at that. Look how flawless that looks. Like, you don't even have to add anything else. You don't have to add anything else if you want to. Maybe just like some mascara and that's it. But look at that. That looks so flawless right there. So now I'm going to just add my concealer to my eyes, under my eyes, my right at the top of my lip, and then my forehead. And then I'm going to just blend that out with the sponge I got from the dollar store. So now I'm going to use my powder. This is my setting powder. This is from Milani, and this is a translucent medium to deep powder. It's in the color 2. So I'm just putting that under my eyes. Where I put the concealer, that's where I'm putting the powder. And if you want, you can just blend it out right there, or you can just let it sit and set. But I normally just rub it out a little bit, but I don't do it all the way because I'm going to come back and finish blending it. So now I'm just applying my black eyeliner to my underlids. And then I'm applying the black to the upper lids. So now I'm going to use my Milani, and I'm going to just use the color. Let me see. Hold on. So I'm using my Milani, and I'm using Barefoot Bronze. That's the color I'm using right here. I'm just brushing it out to make it even. So now I'm going in with my mascara. And if you have a short eyelashes like me, you want to use this mascara because it makes your eyelash look really long. For some reason, it gives your eyelash a lot of volume. If you guys have not liked this video, make sure you guys go ahead and like the video. And remember to click that red thing right there. I think it's called the subscribe button. You can see my eyes is getting a little teary. But yeah. So now I'm just going in and I'm using an additional mascara because this one makes your lashes even longer. But I'm not using it too much because it separates your lashes. So now I'm going to just go in and then I'm going to just remove the excess powder. Look at that. That looks so pretty and flawless. That looks so pretty. Now it's time to put our lip gloss on. So this is a technique I've been using. So I'm using my brown pencil. So I'm just going ahead and just doing like the edges of my lip using the pencil. And it have to be brown pencil if you want to achieve this look, like this lip look. But I'm using my brown pencil. So now I'm just going to go in and I'm going to use like the dark pink, and then I'm just going to add it. You can see like it look exactly like my lip. Just a tad bit brighter. So I'm gonna mix that up, and once it's dry, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna use my regular lip gloss. So I'm using the setting spray. I told you guys that I used the setting spray 3 times, so this is the second time I'm letting everything sit. So now I'm gonna use the other lip gloss. So the red lip gloss, the glossy lip gloss that I got from the dollar store. Oh, I guess I'm not going to use it yet. Okay, so I'm just putting on some highlights on my nose, and then I'm gonna put it on the top of my lips. That's what I normally do. And then I put it on my cheekbones. And then you want to just blend it out because you don't want it, you just want everything to be blended. And then I'm just adding a little bit more to my cheekbones and then just blend it out. because you want everything to look normal. So look at that. It looks so nice and natural. It's so beautiful. So that's the third time I put on the setting spray. So now everything is going to set. My lip gloss is dry. So now I'm going to put on the glossy lip gloss. You see that makeup look is very easy, right? So now I'm just going to pull up my hair and I'm going to come back and let you guys see the final results. So this is the final result. My hair is all pulled out. This will be in the next video, so you guys can watch out for that, a twist out video. So this is how the makeup is looking flawless. So guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you guys like the video, share the video, subscribe, and also leave a comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.